Everyone is worried that they're not that smart. And with that insecurity comes a belief in secrets, as in, other people know something that I should know. When you're not sure how to find your way into something you're writing, look for the perceived secret, the secrets of crypto, the secrets of getting rich, the secrets of getting seriously rich. The secrets of blank is a useful starting point for any first draft of copy, and it may actually make its way into the final copy. Another useful formula for secrets goes like this. What you don't know about a category can cost you then the painful thing they want to avoid. As in, what you don't know about mortgages can cost you $3 million in lifetime wealth. But it is important to be sensitive and filled with empathy when you do this. That's because a belief in unknown secrets can also kind of be tied to a fear of embarrassment for not knowing the thing, or even shame. You need to align with your reader when you write about secrets. Bring them in on the secret or give them the chance to have access to it, always without pushing too far that you maybe embarrass or inadvertently shame them. Make sure you're on the same page and your tone matches the way you want your prospect to feel in the end.